Here we are on the 12th Monday night session of the season. Tonight happens to be position round, and my team is currently in second place. We're 2 points behind the first place team, so we'd have to sweep them in order to finish in first place. With that in mind, I hope to have a good series tonight so that I can do my part to contribute to my team's success while hopefully making progress on some of my goals.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
We the big three like we started a league. And four. I'm the real six guy, boy. Gotta play for the 7, call him Mike Vick.
Oh, double that.
Although the first ball in the third frame was a light pocket hit, I didn't feel like it was bad enough to have left the 2-8-10 split. Sometimes you get a little unlucky, which I also feel was the case in the second rack of the 10th frame. With the exception of a couple of possible unlucky shots and the missed 7-pin at the end of Game 1, I seem to be locked in so far. Let's hope that it carries over to Game 2.
A 10! A 10! A fucking 10!
I rarely complain about being unlucky because in the end I feel that the good and bad luck evens out. I think I got lucky a number of times in Game 2. There were frames that I feel like I deserved a strike but didn't get one. And there were more frames where I feel like I didn't deserve a strike but did get one. I also feel lucky that I didn't get more than the one split in the 8th frame. Here's hoping that my execution from Game 1 or my luck from Game 2 carries over into Game 3.
3B. 1, 2, 3 into the 4.
He's heating up! He's on fire! Boom shakalaka!
Another one.
I feel like I got lucky a few more times in Game 3, even though I think my overall execution was much better than it was in Game 2. Although I had an excellent series and almost matched my season-high series score, as a team we didn't win enough points to overtake first place. I did get a little closer to my overall average goal, though. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.